What's your message to some of these young fighters that are coming up, that are trying to get to where you are?
Same thing. All the rappers, all the actors, all the people that's dream chasing tell you, stay down till you come up. Your time gonna come. It might not happen how you want it to happen, but the more you stay down, you stay 10 toes, it's eventually gonna happen.
Okay.
Eventually you're gonna get your shot. People gonna see how hard you work. People gonna see that you're really putting it in. You know, only time you're gonna tell. A lot of people give up on themselves too early, right before their doors is about to open.
Yeah.